Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today in this video, we will talk about how you can do product research on Amazon using Helium 10. So I am thinking that you are already using Helium 10 for Amazon, or maybe you are just started on Amazon and you want to launch your products. So for that, you want to do product research. So I want to recommend you this tool, highly recommend you this tool because Helium 10 is a very great tool for doing product research, for doing competition analysis, for keyword research, how my competition is doing, should I enter in this category or not, and if I am entering this, what are the charges Amazon is charging for this specific category, how much profit margin will I make. So if you are new to Amazon, and if you are new to Helium 10, and if you are thinking like Helium 10 is so much expensive, so I have one more video for you in which I have told about how you can get Helium 10 platinum subscription at a very low cost, like just 400 rupees. So if you want to watch that video, click on the upper I button which you must be seeing on the screen. So if you will watch that, if you will click on that, you can watch that video for sure. And so without wasting so much time, let's get started. So the topic is how you can do product research on Amazon using Helium 10. So before going to Helium 10, I will discuss how you can do. Sorry. So yeah, so we will discuss what we normally check for Amazon product research. Basically, let's say if you want to do product research, what are the things you need for the product research? What are the things you want to know about the category, about the competition? So first thing is you must be want to know what are the total number of players in this market, in this category. What is their average monthly orders? How much orders they are getting? What is the average monthly sale? What is the price they are charging? Right? What are the top keywords on which they are getting sales? Because Amazon is a search platform. It's similar to like a Google, because here people are searching for their products and they have a very high intent, high shopping intent to buy your product. What are the top competitions and the category players in this market? What are their average product reviews? Product reviews plays a very vital role on Amazon, because if you as a buyer are going to buy a product, you always see reviews, right? You see the reviews, what are the reviews, how much reviews they have, what are the reviews, like whether it is a positive reviews, negative reviews. You see everything, right, before buying any small product also. What is their last yearly sale also? Along with monthly orders, brands want to know before entering to Amazon, like what is the average yearly sales, and what is the best month for them in the year. What is the highest peak month? Like for chocolates, it's February is the highest peak month due to Valentine days and all. So if you go to Amazon and see the sales, February is the highest recording sales. What existing players are lacking in the product, you can also check that. I will show you how you can do that. And last and most important thing, what is the profit margin? So I hope I have covered all the essential topics, and we will talk about all these topics, and we will know how you can find all these things using Helium 10. So let's go to Helium 10 now. So we are on Helium 10. So in Helium 10 for product research, we will use this tool. So they have multiple tools in Helium 10. There are so many specific tools for specific work. So for product research, I will use this black box tools. So in black box, I will firstly find out what are the total number of players in my category. It gives you two types of filters: simple and advanced. As it's the name signifies, in advance you can do choose a whole out of hell out of filters, like number of sellers, number of monthly, like number of their units, what are their monthly revenue, how much they are changing the price, review count, and everything. So I will go with first only the category and the marketplace. So I will choose Amazon.in, and the category I will go with is this is for a just a test purpose. I will go with vitamins category. So I have chosen vitamins, and I have chosen the marketplace. Now I will click on search. So Helium will give me the data of the ASINs level. Like you can see which category they lies in, what are their best selling rank, what on which price they are selling. You can see the monthly orders, monthly revenue, what are how much reviews they have, from which seller or distributor they are selling the price. You can see the brands. So you can export this in Excel and you can filter the brands, right? So you can see what are the total number of players, right? And you can also see what are the last year orders. So Helium actually doesn't provide the last year sales, so they provide the last year orders. So you can also find the last year sales also, revenue also. So for that you can just multiply the units, last year units, into their MRP price, sorry, the price, selling price. So from that you can get an idea, roughly idea, like how much the players are earning in a year also. And you can also find out their details like the sorry their dimensions, weight, uh, how much variation they are selling, number of images they have, right? So what we have discussed here, so you can find out total number of players, their average monthly orders, the average price they are charging, also the competition also. For example, let's say we have come back to the Helium. So let's say I have I'm using the decreasing filter here. So you can see this is the brand which is doing the highest sales. So it is doing around one somewhere around 1 cr, right? So I want to know on which keyword it is ranking. So I will copy their ASIN. So there are two ways. You can find out their keywords from Helium also or Amazon also. So I will firstly tell you how you can do it through Helium. So in Helium you have to go to this tool which is called Cerebro. Okay, so this is nothing less like a reverse product lookup tool. So you just have to put the ASIN, and Helium will give you their top performing keywords. So you can add up to 10 ASINs at one time. So it is fetching the data right now. Uh, so you can see on somewhere around 1800 keywords it is ranking right now, and if you see on organic it is around 1900 keywords it is ranking. So the total search volume you can see on overall keywords which they are ranking is around somewhere around 4 lakh, and the Amazon average search volume is somewhere around 200. So you can see all the keywords on which they are ranking, along with their total click share, total conversion share, their search volume, the trend search volume, like whether it is decreasing or increasing in the last 30 days, right? Let's say it provides it is showing around 1800 keywords. So I will filter it on the search volume. So now you can see these are the top keywords on which it is getting the highest clicks or searches, right? So I can also filter it through the words. Let's say I only want to know the keywords which has vitamins in it, right? So I can filter it through words like vitamins. It will show me the only keywords on which only vitamin keywords it will show me on which it is ranking and getting sales, right? So vitamin C tablet, lim C, vitamin C tablet. So I can use these keywords also. So all in all you can find out the keywords on which your competition is ranking. Or let's say you want to know through Amazon also. So Amazon also it is mostly same. You will have to paste the ASIN on Amazon, but the thing which you will require would be the Helium 10 Chrome extension. You would have to download the Helium 10 Chrome extension first, and then you can do all this research. So I have pasted the async first here. So this is the product. I have clicked on that. Right, and now I will open my Helium 10 Chrome extension from here, and you have to click on the X-ray keywords. So it's loading right now. So it will show me keyword like this. So instead of just going to the Helium 10, you can check the top performing keywords on Amazon also through their Helium 10 Chrome extension, and choose all the filters which you are choosing there. Okay, so we will go back to here. So you have seen the average price, the keywords. So if you want to see the top competition and category players, so I'm going again to the Helium 10. So you can see the products which are making the most sales are the category players, right? So you can see the products ranging a monthly sale between 50 or 40 lakhs to 1 CR are the category players, we can say the top 10 category players, right? And let's say you want to know the average product reviews. I have shown you how you can see the average product reviews. Sorry for this. So you can see their reviews, total reviews, ratings, total reviews. Also you can see somewhere here. Or instead, just you can click on the product from product here, and you can see the total number of reviews on that. Let's say on this product there are 467 ratings, and this is the bestseller in vitamin C tablets. So you can see all these things here also. Now talk about the last 1 year sales. We have discussed this. So for knowing last 1 year sales, only Helium only provides the last year units data. So you can multiply the seller price with the last year units. So it will give you a roughly idea of their last 1 year sales. That will not be exact because they must have reduced the prices so many times in a year. But it will give you a 70 to 80% roughly idea. That's how like how much they are making in a year. Okay, so now talk about the important thing, what existing players are lacking. So how you can check that? Let's say I will go to the category player which was set to skin renew 30 tablets, which is a vitamin C tablet. So I will go to this product. So I have to now check, like I have to enter in this market, right? So now I have to see कि ये किस में लैग कर रहे हैं, इनका प्रोडक्ट कहाँ लैग कर रहा है, right? So I will go to their reviews. So basically, this is the latest update from Amazon. Amazon now provides you the customer reviews data on the basis of feedback. So it's like a AI generated summary. So previously you have to see the every single review, right, to check the product quality. Now Amazon gives the summary of the reviews like on the basis of the some of the factors. Like you can see this product is good in value, taste, glow, effect on skin, effect on detoxification, ease of use, but it is not good in performance. So let's see what performance they are talking about. We will click on performance, and it will show not effective product, gluto product with a combo of vitamin C. Still there is no improvement in any part of body. I have whitish brown skin. Here I would say it's too early. Sorry, it's too early to say the product opinion, but I will continue with another bottle to see that result meant or not. So this is just an idea, like you can open any essence and see their like see where they are lacking, right, through their reviews part. And when you will be launching your product, you can take that as a USP of your product, that it gives you a fast result or something, and you can overcome those problems and I believe that you will grow faster than, like, if you just enter the market with the same strategy which your competition is doing. So you have to do something unique. For that, you can see what competition are lacking, right? So you have to find those things and start your journey on Amazon. And last thing is like how you can uh, calculate the profit margin of this category, right? So I will again go to this again, the same product is set to skin. So there is somewhere option below is the profitability calculator. This is again, you will get through the Helium 10, Helium 10 Helium 10 Chrome extension. You have to click here. One second. Yeah. So you have to enter the price of the product, dimensions, weight. Let's say what is your unit manufacturing cost, and how much time you want to estimate put it in the storage, and everything you have to add here, and you will get the profit margin through the Amazon, like how much you will what would be your margin for this product. And you can do this for Amazon FBA, whether you are doing it from easy ship, self ship. So you can find your profitability calculator, like how much profit margin is there in this category through Helium 10. So this will only you can access on Amazon through Helium 10 Chrome extension. So don't forget to use this tool, and I hope you have liked the video. And now I'm sure you can do the product research on Amazon using Helium 10. So if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.